Well, it's June 29th, 5:45 right now, so just getting my camera gear all settled away right now. We got really much better conditions than what we had last time I was in, and I just checked the camera, and turns out the bait was hit, but the bear didn't eat very much, like I expected he would the last couple times he come in. So, but that's okay. Hopefully he'll return now and get a feed before he goes to lie down for the night, and hopefully we'll get him this evening with an arrow. So, all right. So let's just sit back, relax, and hopefully he's going to show.